Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. So when I got this Toyota 4Runner for the week from Toyota, a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see the performance of these headlights that this new 2021 TRD Pro 4Runner has. It will be the same performance that an SR5 has, TRD Off-Road, the Limited, everything. The only difference is that these TRD Pros and the Limiteds have their brights also as LEDs. So John, were they good? Yes guys, long story short, the low beams performed awesome. They performed really, really well. The brights, however, they didn't really do anything. So I really think if Toyota put the low beams as LEDs into here and an actual high beam bulb as an LED, it would be so much better, because when you turned on the brights, it was kind of just a little bit above the beam pattern, the cutoff. So I will show you guys some driving footage and stuff, but I just wanted to talk about the lights for a second. I have gotten many DMs asking, hey, how is it compared to ALFA-REX? Are they retrofittable? Compared to ALFA-REX, they are equally as good, if not a bit better. I feel the cast is a lot better with the Toyota product. I feel that the OEM-ness obviously is a lot better, the fit and finish. Even though ALFA-REX is a great brand, their quality has been awesome, no fogging, no nothing. I feel like having it come straight from Toyota is a lot better of a package than going aftermarket. Another thing too is that I don't think it's retrofittable. I had a friend that had one of these and he swapped it out for the Morimotos. The wiring was a bit different because it's not just an LED light. Basically a big LED that they put into it to make it happen. So it's not retrofittable unless you just, splice wires, cut it out, make it good, then it's good. It's just not simply plug and play. So you can make it happen. You just got to do some wiring on your own. They obviously look the same because the 4Runner is the same. There's no DRLs or anything like that. It's literally the same exact light that they took out the old projector housing, put this new LED module in, and that's it. They are very good though, so we'll go ahead and cut to that driving footage right now. All right guys, so here it is with just the low beams on. I'm gonna flick the fogs on. As you can see, we get a decent amount of cast from those Rigid Industry fog lights. Granted, we have a light up above us. The only thing that I have noticed is that the brights aren't crazy bright, so we'll flick them on and you just get a little bit, the camera's not really picking it up, but you get a little bit up top, nothing too crazy as if it was its own, because these headlights, like I showed you guys, the high beams basically are inside of one module, so it's not like the older generations of 4Runner where the brights was its own light, so then you would have all four lights on. But turning into this dark little parking lot, I guess, I don't know what it is, but you can see the cutoff there, and man, these things are killer. They look really good, they work really good. Turning in the fog lights off again, turning it on, turning it off, cast over here, on, off of fogs, and then we'll turn the brights on real quick. So they don't really shoot up that high. What I'm seeing on camera is actually the same as what you guys are seeing. So I honestly wish they actually shot up a little higher for brights, but for the most part, pretty good at night. We'll go back out to the road where you guys will see some trees and stuff on each side of us. So the cutoff is really good. And I have not gotten flashed once with this car. I haven't gotten flashed once with this 4Runner at all. So they could be aimed up maybe just a little higher. Turn the brights on again. See the roof of that house, brights off. Fog's on now. Fog's off. So guys, what did you think about that? Obviously, they're really good. Like I showed you guys in the nighttime driving, when you turn on these rigid fogs, it's great. The cast out to the left and right is amazing. The low beams themselves, very, very good. The high beams, they're less desirable. So I feel like if you got a lower trim 4Runner, not the TRD Pro basically, and not the Limited, and you put your own LED bulbs in there for the brights, it would be a killer setup. It would be so good because you would have those awesome low beams on, and you would have the LED itself when you flick on the toggle for your brights, and you have all four lights on at the same time. So a very cool upgrade that the 4Runner finally got. So if you guys are new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers, as always, I appreciate your guys' support, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.
you.